This right here is the TikTok Creative Center. You could just Google this. You can't find this on Google. You can have no hope with becoming a successful dropshipper. Just look it up. This is the Creative Center, and what I want you to do is go ahead and plug in these exact filters. You can go here and pick the region. So we're gonna go ahead and pick United States. You can also pick the other major countries like Canada and Australia. Then we wanna select an industry. Then in the objective, we wanna put conversions. This is basically ads that are being run to sell products. And we wanna put the last 7 days to make sure we're finding stuff that's recent. We can change the language to English. Ad format, we wanna put non-Spark ads. This is the best way to find more dropshipping stores. And then we wanna go to likes and do top 1%. And this is gonna show us the stuff that's getting the most likes in the last 7 days that's being run from dropshipping stores, mostly, and it's actually being ran in the major countries like the United States.